Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use a crit auto wound special rule in Warhammer Age of Sigmar 4.0. And to do this, first you will need to make an attack roll, and each time you roll 6, or when you have any modifiers that says you can score crits on 5s, then you can use 5s as crits as well. And for each critical hit that you've made, you'll be able to already score a wound roll, so you can skip the wound roll with the dice that had the crit and then move to the save roll with that attacks. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.